Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining. On today's video, we're going to be preparing some delicious beef leaf tacos. Also, I'm going to be preparing a tomatillo sauce. Hopefully you like this recipe and give it a try. Thank you for joining, and who's ready to cook?
Here I have the ingredients that we're going to be using for our tacos. I have beef lips. To prepare the meat or to cook the meat, we're going to be using 4 garlic cloves, a quarter of an onion, 1 teaspoon of chicken flavor seasoning, half teaspoon of salt. And for our sauce, I have about 14 green tomatillos, 2 garlic cloves, 3 guajillo chilies, a quarter of an onion, some salt to taste, and cilantro. We're gonna start by cooking the meat. I already put some water on this pot and I'm gonna be introducing the meat right there. So make sure it is covered by water. So here is the onion, garlic, the chicken flavor seasoning, and some salt. So we're gonna cover this and leave it there for a while until I notice that my meat is cooked. This is how I clean my cilantro. I add water and put a teaspoon of vinegar, and I will leave it there for about 15 minutes. Then I'll be able to use it on my salsa. For this sauce, we're gonna be roasting the tomatillos, the guajillo chili, and some garlic cloves. We're gonna be flipping these babies around constantly. Oops, this one is getting good. And then we're gonna take this to the blender. As you can see, I added some foil to my comal, so the tomatillos and the chilies won't get too stick to my comal. And in that way, I'm not gonna be having a hard time cleaning my comal. I'm gonna cover the tomatillos and the chilies, and then without forgetting the garlics. And I'm gonna leave these at low heat for a little while so they can cook.
Okay, we're going to start doing our sauce. So, let's do it. So the sauce already, so I'm able to grab these easily. I'm going to remove the stem of the cheese and try to take up some of the seeds. And then the garlic, they're right here. I thought I lost them. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. So let's blend it. Now we're gonna be adding the tomatillo, but I'm gonna add half of the tomatillos and blend it just a little bit because I don't want them to snap. Just a little bit because I want them to be noticeable. half teaspoon. So I'm gonna try half teaspoon of salt. If I feel I need more salt, then I'll be adding some more.
Okay, here is the tomatillo sauce. To my taste, I feel that I need to add another half teaspoon of the salt. And as you can see, it is chunky already. But I'm gonna be adding some onion. Here it is. I added some onion and cilantro.
As you can see, the meat is ready. We just need to remove the skin, dice it, and take it back to the pot.
Okay, I took the meat back to the stove, and as you can see, it has a kind of pale color. So I'm gonna leave it here for a little bit, stir it sometimes until it turns darkish. As you can see, the meat has a better color. I always like my meat to look like that. And if you see right here, all that grease, this is one of the reasons why I take my meat back to the pot, because otherwise, and without noticing, we would have eaten all that grease.
For tacos, you will usually use the tortillas that are about this big. My family doesn't like those small tortillas, so they prefer the large ones. So this time, I'm gonna be warming up this tortilla and fixing a taco for me.
These are the toppings that we're gonna be adding to our tacos. Here we have the tomatillo sauce, some lemons, I chopped some cilantro and diced some more onions.
So here is my taco. I'm gonna be adding some onion, cilantro, a little bit of salt. I can pop my salt shaker. I'm ready to taste, so let's see how they come out. I really like this taco. I hope you guys like it too. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.